Feel good.
I woke up a little bit tired, but I'm so excited. Today I'm going to Similan Island.
Similan Islands are located about 70 kilometers off Phuket, Thailand. Similan means 9, which is a group of 9 islands. To keep this paradise protected, the islands are only open to visitors from November to May. It's about 2 hours by bus and another hour by boat from Patong. We get picked up from our hotel by the tour shuttle, and they feed us as soon as we arrive. After a short breakfast, I check what they gave us. They gave us this bag. There was a mat, a towel, and snorkeling gear inside. Quick briefing from the guide. We got on the boat. They also gave us sea sickness pill and puke bags. I didn't know that was the red flag. Calm at first, then chaos. The big waves kept making the boat bounce like crazy. Water kept splashing everywhere, and I got completely soaked. Most people were practically dying from seasickness. An hour of this, and we finally made it to the first island. On the first island, we are going to climb Sail Rock, that huge granite rock. No pier here. We jump off the boat and land straight in the water. This is where the hike begins. It's only about a 7-minute hike.
I'm not the type of person who gets sick of boat, but it was really tough to come here.
On the way up, huge granite rocks start popping up.
Look at this huge rock.
Get to the top, and the view is totally worth it. It felt surreal seeing a view I'd only seen online with my own eyes. I took a few photos, and I went to beach. The water temperature was just right.
This place is so beautiful. Sand is really soft, smooth. I think it's worth it to come here.
Since your feet get wet and you have to hike a bit to get here, bringing Aqua shoes is really good idea. After that, we hopped back on the boat and headed to our snorkeling spot. They said we could see all kind of fish, and I was really hyped. I like the movie Finding Nemo, so I hope to see Nemo.
First, snorkeling.
It was so beautiful.
The water goes into my nose, but it's really beautiful.
While heading to the next dive spot, the staff shared their snack with me. Sticky rice with brown sugar. Simple, but it was really good. We arrived at a second diving spot. This time, I went snorkeling with professional diving staff. The sea was calm and peaceful. I completely feel free. It was deeper than I expected. I tried a bit of free diving, but it didn't really work out, so the staff helped me to film. Let's check out what's under the sea. If you're already comfortable with free diving, you will probably get to see a lot more down there. After swimming, we had lunch at the last island. On the way, we even spotted a huge lizard. After all that swimming, I was so hungry.
This is tom yum.
The food is close to South Korean or not?
This one?
Yeah. More spicy maybe.
Yeah, more spice.
I came to Thailand to check off a bucket list item, but along the way, I ended up adding a new one. I guess new experiences create new challenges. Seeing whales while freediving, that's my new bucket list dream. Getting to the Similan Islands is tough and exhausting, but if you love adventure, it's definitely worth giving it a try.